How are your customer service managers stay on top of performance against your main KPIs to ensure productivity and standards don't slip if your staff are working from home? Hi, my name is Steve Fitzgerald, and I'm the sales manager for Premier Contact Point, a cloud contact center technology solution that's designed to help your staff ensure that they can continue to deliver an excellent customer service experience no matter where they're located. In this video series, we're covering off how to overcome the main concerns that organisations have about transitioning their staff to working from home. In the last video, we looked at a key concern for supervisors, and that is monitoring the activity of remotely located team members. In this video, we look at how management can access powerful business insight reports to stay on top of the customer service team's productivity and customer satisfaction. Premier Contact Point Report Manager module utilizes Microsoft Power BI as the underlying reporting engine. This versatile reporting suite includes a number of pre-configured reports as well as the ability to create your own BI reports from scratch. And for customers who also use Power BI in their own organization, you'll be able to blend the contact center data with your own data sets to create meaningful whole of organization reports. To make it easy to access the right report, we separate them into categories. And here's an example of an interactive console for inbound calls. With the simple click of the mouse, I can drill into our reports and easily analyze the data. For example, I can click to change the report date range, and you'll see the effect that has on my 6 reporting tiles across all of my queues. I can select an individual queue and a specific disposition code to further drill into what's happening across this particular date range. Here's an example of a post-call survey report where callers were prompted to submit a response to a compliance statement. And again, you can see with a click of a mouse, I can filter the report and the effect that has on each reporting tile. NPS, CSAT, and other customer survey reports are available as standard and can also be easily accessed via the Premier Contact Point Report Manager module. All Premier Contact Point customers have the ability to create their own BI reports from scratch. We include a large range of calculations that with a simple click of a mouse can be utilized to build a report tile. Here I'm selecting the date as well as calls for my inbound queues. I can move the tiles to the location I prefer and can easily change the chart type. So starting here and ending here, you can see how easy it is to configure the BI reports to give exactly the kind of reports you need. The important point is that your management team have instant access to powerful BI historical reports from any location. In the next video, we look at how easy it is for your supervisors and managers to make instant changes to queue announcements. It's crucial that your staff have a cloud customer contact solution so that they can continue to provide a great customer service from any location. And within just 24 hours, we can get them set up and fully trained. So if you've got 10 or more staff providing customer service, then simply complete the form and I'll be in touch to discuss your requirements and prepare a cost-effective quote.